bell staff jackets were crap, weren't they? Them wax cotton things used to leak like Trowel master. Hey? Fucking hell. Oh, me, yeah. That's serious noise, isn't it? Bloody hell. Bit rich, isn't it? See all the black salt?